Hello my fellow weirdos. Today we're making golden peach pie. For this you're going to need 2 pie crusts. You can use whatever pie crust you prefer, but here's my favorite recipe. To start, we're going to pour 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a small mixing bowl along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them together. Then we're going to pour in 1/3 cup of shortening or unsalted butter that's softened just a little bit at a time. Get them mixed together until it's crumbly. You can use either 2 forks dueling it out or this handy dandy gadget and just clean out the blades every now and then. Once you got clumpy sand, we're going to sprinkle in 1 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar. Finally, gradually add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, starting at 2 and add more if it doesn't have the texture of Play-Doh. Next, we're going to cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes or until it's easy to handle. Since this requires 2 crusts, we're going to need to double it or just make a single one all over again, whichever you want to do. Now that our crusts are ready, we're going to roll them out and line a 9-inch pie plate with the bottom pastry and set it aside for now. In a large bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Then stir in 6 drops of DoTERRA Lemon Essential oil and 1 drop of doTERRA Wild Orange Essential Oil. If you don't have them, you can do 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and a 1/2 teaspoon of grated orange peel respectively. Next, we're going to add in our 5 cups of peaches, which is about 5 medium peaches that have been sliced and peeled. We're going to toss them in gently as peaches are very sensitive. Next, we'll pour our mixture into the bottom pie crust that should already be in our pie pan. Then dot the top of it with 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, roll out the other pie crust and fit the top of the pie, getting it well sealed, and then you can decorate it how you like. I'm not fancy, so I just cut slits at the top. Next, we're going to cover the edges loosely with foil or a pie crust protector and bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Then remove the foil carefully and then bake for another 10 to 15 minutes longer or until the crust is a nice golden brown and the filling is all bubbly. Take it out and allow it to cool on a wire rack. Serve it, but make sure to refrigerate any leftovers, if by any chance you have any. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week, and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!